Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel. Guys, today friends we are going to go to this Technophone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Technophone guys face lock setting, how to set face lock on Technomobile and how to use face lock. Friends, one by one, step by step I will show you. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Technophone setting. After on Technophone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your mobile. Friends, click on security setting, and friends, you don't have a screen lock, you cannot set face lock. Friends, you can see we cannot set face lock, we cannot set fingerprint lock, because first we will have to set lock screen password. So friends, select your lock screen password. Next option, friends, I will use 1234, and friends, remember your password. Confirm. Done. And friends, now click on face lock. Easily friends, you can set face lock. Enter your password. Face setting, guys, click here. Next option, friends, show your face here. After show face, friends, you can see face lock will set on a device. Done option. Friends, come back. Friends, off your screen. And friends, you want to unlock your phone. As you can see, face lock will show on lock screen. You can enter your password, phone will unlock. And then show your face on your lock screen. Automatically, guys, your phone will unlock. So like that friends, we can set face lock on Technomobile, and friends, we can use it. And once you want to set fingerprint lock, so friends, click here, enter your password, and you can set fingerprint lock on your Technomobile. So friends, I will not set. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to set face lock on Technomobile. Bye.